Walk on. Yep, let's go away from the door. Good boy. This is not the best kind of day to drive on, but you'll never have problems with the wind. Let's go by the house. Maybe a windbreak there. Good boy. Fine. Straight into the wind. If he's a little jumpy today, I won't be surprised. Good boy. What a good boy. Now baby's coming along. Sinuses have been running hard the last several days, so if I don't sound as clear as I might, I'm sorry. What a good boy. Walk on. Good boy. You see your brothers. Walk on. Yeah, they've got a big bale out there, huh? You and your brothers want another big bale, I know. I'm going semi-crosswise of the wind. I'm trying to get my hood on to cover my ears. You ready for working trot? Yes, I am. Doing far less fussing with his bit. Far less pulling on the bit. He understands that. It's there for a reason. Yeah, I agree. I've been sneezing so much my stomach muscles are sore. Almost as though I'd been coughing. Do I feel sorry for you guys looking at me? Tomorrow might be a lovely day. I didn't see high winds forecast for tomorrow, so I'll be able to get some. Come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. That's the boy. There's that rhythm I want. Slower rhythm. There. Good boy. That's your working trot. The definition of a working trot is one where the hind foot lands at the front foot. The other definition of it is you drive to town. This is the speed that they'll go for many miles at a time. put in a request to our horse chiropractor. See what happens. There you go. Is it windy? Yeah, when the back strap end flips up in the air, it's pretty windy. And I thought, oh, I didn't need to spray them because of the wind. In the barn, the bugs were attacking him and annoying him. So, yeah, we went for the bug spray right away. That's why he has ear nets on. Those ears are a perfect place for the stupid bugs to go hide in the wind. Anyway, look at that perfect working trot. What a good boy. It's just Amy. Vicky's locked in the house. She doesn't need to run this far. Going straight down the road, but he's wanting to go bend to the left, so I wanted to get him out where ready to do a little tussling. Let's wait a little bit, huh? I wanted to get him out in the field where I could work him over the tree. Not going off the side of the road. That's the boy. Yeah, your rhythm is picking up, but I am getting too strict here. It's windy enough. I put Doodlebug in her basket. I was afraid she would blow right off the seat. That's happened. It's been not a great experience for anybody. But it is one of the good reasons that I teach them to stop and stand quietly. Because I have to be able to get out and get back in to get her back in the car. Didn't like that cotton plant. Gives you an idea of how much the seed blows here. There are cotton plants all through here.